Embedding a video in a course. There are various ways to display videos in your course. One way is to embed the video in a course resource or activity. You can do this in assignments, books, labels, pages, forums, quiz questions, and in most activity and resource descriptions. We recommend that you use YouTube videos. There are 2 steps to completing this task. 1. Go to YouTube and acquire a video embed code. And 2nd, embed this code into a label or a page in your course. I'm now on the web in YouTube. In the search area, I'm going to type Avenue Viewing Your Portfolio to see if I can find that tutorial. I'll click on the search button, then I'll click on the tutorial. The final step before we go back to our course is to acquire a web embed code. First, I'll click on the share link. In this pop-up, I'll click on the embed icon. The embed code appears. I'll make sure the Show Player Controls box is ticked. And then I'll click on the copy link. The embed code will now be ready to be pasted into your course. Embedding a video in a label. I've returned to the Avenue course, and I'll first click on the Turn Editing On button. Next, I'll click on the Add Activity or Resource link. On this pop-up page, I'll choose the label icon. In the labeled text area, I'll click on the Show Hide Advanced Buttons icon. The expanded editing icons appear. I'll click on the HTML icon. The text area displays HTML code. I'll select that HTML code, and then I'll paste the embed code from YouTube here, which will delete the code that was there. Then I'll scroll down and click on the Save and Return to Course button. The video is embedded here, but I can't see it on my browser until I click on the Turn Editing Off button. We can see that this video occupies a lot of space on the screen. An alternative is to embed a video in a courseware page. Let's do that now. Embedding a video into a page. First, I'll click on the Turn Editing On button. Next, I'll click on the Add Activity or Resource link. On this pop-up page, I'll choose the page icon. First, in the name area here, we have to type a title. Then I'll scroll down to the page content area and type some introductory or instructional text. I'll click on the Show More Buttons icon. Then I'll click on the HTML icon. The text area displays HTML code. Each line of code is numbered. I'll click below line 1 to add a second line, and then paste the embed code that I copied from my YouTube video here. I'll scroll down and click on Save and Return to Course to view the page. Our video is now embedded in the page on the course page. When I click on the page link, the embedded video appears.